This is Shelly Kraft coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. I have with me Jason Cardiff, Redwood Scientific Technologies. It's a private company. Jason, welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you, Shelly, and thank you for having me on. I'd love to. Thank you.
Now, let's get right rolling. Let's talk about the company. Tell us an overview for the audience.
Sure. So Redwood Scientific Technologies is a company focused on strip delivery technology and thin film delivery. We have had a lot of success in the marketplace in the last year and a half, and we are first product to market of many, but our first product is for the treatment of, you'll never guess, PE, a sexual dysfunction. We sell the product through national television campaigns, and we have really done well with it.
So how large a market is it?
So the PE market is about a $4 billion market in the United States, and it's been completely unaddressed, mainly because ED, erectile dysfunction, Viagra, and those type of products really completely took all the air out of the room, and they forgot about the PE market space.
Well, you haven't, certainly.
Well, we haven't with our first product, and we're delivering it through thin film delivery technology, kind of like a Listerine mouth strip. But it's one of many products in our lineup that are going to be coming to the market.
What's your background?
So my background is last 12 years or so I've been involved in direct response television. About 6.5 years ago, I was in China. I found the raw version of the electronic cigarette, that little device that's so controversial. I built that company into being one of the top 10 brands in the United States. And then we exited that company by partnering with one of the largest alcohol distribution firms. I woke up about 2.5 years ago, panicked about big tobacco. I saw the writing on the wall, and boy, was I right. We got out just in time, and now we've moved into this new disruptive technology. Kind of like what Uber has done for transportation, thin film delivery will be doing for pharma grade, OTC, and nutraceutical ingestible drugs.
So besides PE, what's second, maybe third?
I tell you, we've got a stop smoking product that's currently with the FDA that is an incredible product. It works so well. We have a baby aspirin. Most people don't realize, but aspirin's really hard for children to take, and we can do it through a nice thin film delivery. We also have a prostate support. We have a sleep aid, and the big one, not to come back to sex all the time, but we've got a PE and ED product coming to market to fix both issues.
So what's your marketing strategy? Is it the infomercial strategy? Is it brick and mortar?
Oh, it's great. So it's everything. So we have been the #1 infomercial in the health and beauty category in the United States 3 of the last 6 months, advertising on some of the largest national cable platforms in the US. Okay, so from there we're acquiring customers, we're making happy marriages and relationships, but our second phase of that strategy is because we're spending so much on television and we're so seen and so well known, the retailers are literally knocking our doors down to get the product on the shelf because they like that free advertising.
Let's get your website out there for more viewers to go check out.
Sure. You can go to redwoodscientifictechnologies.com. You can take a look at what we're doing as a company, or you can watch us on television by looking at AMIprolongs.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Cardiff, Redwood Scientific Technologies. It's a private company. I'm Shelly Kraft. This is SNN Live, and we're coming to you live from the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. Jason, I'll be watching.
Shelly, thank you for all your hard work.
You got it, buddy.